Move! Oh god! I'm running away from the fire department. I can't believe I did it. It only took almost an hour to do this.
Oh, there's a cop. Is that a cop? Is he coming?
No. I can add the cops so they can come after me. Oh, the boat's not on fire anymore.
You lose it?
Probably. Oh. What's the boat?
Did it.
I gotta go back for the boat.
Probably.
It's probably gone. The truck is... Oh god. Oh god, the truck's gonna explode. Oh god. Cool it off back there. Stop fishtailing, you're gonna get us killed. Okay. Oh my god. I'm crashing into the cop. Stop fishtailing, you're gonna get us killed. I'm driving with only one hand. I'm literally using my thumb to drive. Come on, I can't see like this. Oh my god, the burning boat was hilarious.
Yeah, you gotta get that.
Oh god. Okay, I think we've calmed down. Stop fishtailing, you're gonna get us killed, for goodness sake. I don't know where I'm going now. I wish the darn... Oh, jeez. I wish the boat stayed on. That would have been funny if the boat stayed. At least it stayed until it was not on fire anymore.